In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for music release timing, fast and easy. If you're looking to drop your next big hit and want to make sure it gets the attention it deserves, timing is everything. So sit back, grab a notebook, and let's dive into the world of Google Trends to optimize your music release strategy. First, you'll want to head over to Google and search for Google Trends. Once you see the results, go ahead and click on the first link to open up this valuable tool. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a button labeled Explore. Click on that, and it will direct you to a section where you can start inputting search terms. Here's where the fun begins. Start by typing in your artist name, similar artists who are in the same genre, or even the specific genre of your music. This could be anything from indie pop to trap music, or perhaps even lo-fi beats. The key here is identifying who and what is relevant to your music so you can tailor the results to your needs. Once you've entered the information, press enter to see what trends are emerging in your niche. Now it's time to apply some smart filters. At the top of the Google Trends page, you have options to adjust the location, time range, and category. Choose the location that either reflects your target market or select worldwide to get a broader sense of what's happening globally. For the time range, you might want to check the past 12 months to understand current interests, or you could expand to the past 5 years to spot long-term trends. As for categories, delve into areas like video games if your work crosses into those boundaries, as crossover interests can be quite telling. Take a look at the interest over time chart. Here you can identify recurring peaks. For instance, maybe EDM sees a spike during the summer, or ballads rise during holiday seasons. Find those peaks and plan to release just before an anticipated rise in interest, so you catch the wave at its crest. Consider comparing your data against similar artists by using the plus compare feature. Add 2 or 3 artists and observe when their interest spikes. If you time your releases around these periods, you might benefit from the increased interest and discussion happening in your genre. Scroll down to explore interest by region, which helps you pinpoint where your genre or style is most popular. This insight is essential for targeting advertising, public relations efforts, or even deciding where to drop your new music first. Lastly, don't forget to check out Related Queries. This section showcases trending and consistently searched topics, which can give you ideas for creating content that will build hype. Whether that's sneak peeks, lyric posts, or hints about collaborations, these trending queries can inform your pre-release strategy. And there you have it. By mastering Google Trends, you can strategically time your music releases for maximum impact. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next release.